MediSave Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to MediSave are in the description if you want to check it out. MediSave is a medical supply store that provides a wide range of healthcare products, including first aid kits, medical equipment, and personal protective gear. It caters to both professionals and individuals, offering supplies for hospitals, clinics, and home care. One of its key features is its vast inventory, covering everything from diagnostic tools to mobility aids. The platform is designed for ease of use with an intuitive website and fast delivery options. MediSave is particularly beneficial for healthcare workers, caregivers, and anyone needing reliable medical supplies. It stands out with competitive pricing, bulk discounts, and a strong reputation for quality. The company sources from trusted brands, ensuring that customers receive certified medical products. Additionally, MediSave offers customization options for certain products, like engraving stethoscopes, which is a unique touch for professionals. Customer service is generally responsive, and the return policy is fair, though some users report occasional delays in shipping. While it's a solid option for purchasing medical supplies, comparing prices with other retailers is always a good practice. Overall, MediSave is a trustworthy and efficient platform for getting medical essentials. If you found this review helpful, check out the links below.